Hi everyone! Good to see you again. Welcome back again to Animal Puzzle. Let's solve this puzzle together and watch the video. Okay, now let's begin. First, we need to move this one. No. No. Yes, that's right. Next, we move this one. No. No. Yeah, that's great. Now we move this one. No. No. Yes, that's right. Okay, now we move this one. No. 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 Yes, that's right. Next, we move this one. No. No. Yeah, that's right. Now we move this one. No. Yes, that's right. Now we move this one. Yeah, that's right. Next, we move this one. Yes, that's right. Okay, now we move the last piece. Yes, that's awesome. Yes, it's a rabbit. We did it again. Now let's see the rabbit video. Thank you for playing with me. Please like and subscribe. Now you can choose another game to play with. See you in the next game.